Hi, this is a public service announcement, a PSA, calling all entrepreneurs, business owners, hairstylists, barbers, boutique owners, and online creators. My name is Tawana Lee, and I'm the co-founder of Genesis Hair Care, and I'm a business coach. I help entrepreneurs create multiple streams of income by creating digital and tangible. Myself and Miss Jennifer Benefield, the owner of J Victorian Modeling and Fashion Agency, would like to invite you out to come and join us for the Power of Your Vision Empowerment Brunch. In this business building brunch, you will learn critical building blocks to structure your business to create wealth. You will learn how to separate your personal and business finances. You will learn how to apply and obtain a wholesale resale license no matter what industry you're in. You will learn if your business is required to have an EIN number. You will also learn how to apply and are you at the right space in your business to apply for business credit, business tradelines, and to obtain business funding. You will also learn how to target your target audience and get more reach so whether you're a startup business or you are a business looking to expand your brand and grow to that next level, the Power of Your Vision Empowerment Brunch is for you. I'll see you soon. Make sure you click the link below.